Hello everyone, this is Zakim Benjamin, and I'm here so bothered about the education of the average Nigerian child. How that the curriculum must suit us as a people, how that we are so far away from the authentic need of the African child. How that we have determined and we've decided that civilization is only defined in terms of westernization. Is that really so? If there is no culture that is superior to another one, then our culture is not less, is not inferior to any culture from the Western world. I'm calling colleagues in the education sector. I'm calling friends who are curriculum experts. And I'm saying, shall we begin to wake up? Shall we wake up and begin to structure and put together curriculum that is truly beneficial to Africa? When shall we stop being copycats? Is it not possible to develop a curriculum for us where we do not sing A for apple, that we have our own? Because how many of our children have seen the apple fruit? Shall we begin to think about the authentic curriculum for us and not just rubbish everything that our forefathers did? Because Africa has a past that is glorious. We were navigating the waters before Archimedes did his Eureka and thought about the principles of flotation. Aromire in Lagos had navigated the Osa to go to the island and make plantations of pepper. The Africans met Mungo Park on the River Niger and gave him a fight for it at Busa. I'd like to challenge us as a people to begin to think how to evolve a curriculum that will reinstate the African reality. Yes, we can take a lot from the Europeans. However, we must not lose that which is ours. How do we rediscover the past and make it relevant to the present? The collaboration, problem solving, critical thinking that we push today as European ideals were so much in the curricula, the informal education system of the African fathers and mothers. In the fact that they collaborated to build farms. The women collaborated to make a susu and give huge sums of money to individuals to go to make wealth from trading. And then they did that for another and did that for another. When are we going to restore the dignity of Africa through the curriculum?